analyze their mistakes and errors from their previous year preparations, and if they're sure that they can rectify these mistakes this year. Hi, I'm Mansee Phanse and I'm a student at the 1-year classroom program at Fiitjee Mumbai. I had achieved a rank of 4839 in JEE Mains and 3872 in JEE Advanced. My biggest setback was that when I dropped out, it was very difficult for me to focus on my studies while all my friends were having fun in college. And I was also very easily distracted by web series and movies. My secret to securing this rank was that I had prepared formula books for every subject, which really helped me for the last week of the preparation, as I didn't have to look for other material as I had created my own notes. During my drop year, Fiitjee conducted many tests which helped me build a temperament for the exam, as giving exams had become a habit, and in the main exam I did not panic and I was at ease. They also provided us with a concept kundli which gave us a micro level analysis of all the concepts that I had to work on. My advice to the students who are thinking of taking a drop would be that first they analyze their mistakes and errors from their previous year preparations, and if they're sure that they can rectify these mistakes this year, only then they consider taking a drop. I would like to thank my parents, teachers, friends and the system at Fiitjee for supporting me and keeping me motivated.